Let's dive into a super useful feature that was introduced in iOS 18.1, recording voice calls on your iPhone. This feature is incredibly handy for saving important conversations, taking notes for work or school, or even just capturing funny moments. So, let's get started. Make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18.1 or a newer version. Currently, you can only install the beta version if you are on a beta program. Open the phone app on your iPhone. Choose a contact or dial the number of the person you want to call. Once the call is connected, look for the audio record button in the top left corner of your screen. Tap this button to start recording the call. Above the call control options, you'll see a small recorder. This will indicate that the call is being recorded. To stop recording, tap the stop button within the recorder icon. After you end the call, the recorded audio will be automatically saved to your Notes app as an audio file. Open the Notes app and find the note where the recording is saved. You can tap the audio file to play it. If you want to give the recording a specific name, you can tap on the audio file in Notes and rename it. To share the recording, then tap the Share button and choose the desired method. You can delete or move the recordings in the Notes app as needed. And that's it! You've now learned how to easily record voice calls on your iPhone. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.